Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2017 GMC Yukon Denali SUV that is GMC Factory Certified. On the outside of this Yukon, you'll find a power liftgate, blind spot sensors, and lane departure technology. Inside, we have comfortable leather seating for 7 with heated and cooled front seats, a power sunroof, and a rear DVD entertainment system. The 8-inch LCD touchscreen display is preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth to keep you connected. This 2017 GMC Yukon has less than 71,000 miles, is factory certified, and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.